Hello students, continuing with the same chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is Understanding Operating System. Now, based on licensing, we can divide the operating systems into two categories. First is proprietary OS, OS means operating system. Second one is open source OS, OS means operating system. First one is proprietary OS, means an operating system that is licensed by the copyright holder under any specific condition. In general, you can use this software after paying its fee, but you are not allowed to modify or distribute it to others. This one is Microsoft Windows, and this icon is for Mac OS X. This comes under proprietary OS system. Now, open source operating system. Open source operating system, as the name suggests, is an operating system for which the source code is released free of cost. Linux and Ubuntu are free open source operating system that can be used for PCs or servers. This icon is for Linux and this icon is for Ubuntu. Next one is open source operating systems. Total there are two operating systems. One is Linux and another is Ubuntu. First one is Linux. Linux is the best known and most used open source operating system. It is similar to other operating system you may have used before, such as MS Windows or OS X. This one is the desktop of Linux operating system. And now come to this side. Advantages of using Linux. First is it is free of cost. Second is Linux comes in all sizes and flavors. Third is Linux systems rarely crash. Fourth is the security aspect of Linux is much stronger than that of Windows. Next one is Ubuntu. This is the most widely used open source Linux based free operating system. Its desktops like somewhat, this one is the desktop of Ubuntu. Its desktop looks somewhat similar to that of MS Windows with window controls and icons. The common applications include Mozilla Firefox, web browser, LibreOffice, GIMP image editor, and so on. Next one is advantages of using Ubuntu. First one is minimum hard disk space required for installation, that is 2 GB, means 2 gigabytes. Minimum memory to run is 512 MB. MB means megabyte. Next is HDMI support. HDMI support means high definition multimedia interface support. Fourth one is secure, full featured web, and last is social networking services. I hope you cleared this lecture. Okay, bye and have a nice day.